Here's a Rheem Prestige Series 20 seer air conditioner display at a Home Depot. I think the Carrier Infinity is still here, but this is one of the most popular ones. Even Lennox, Rheem, Carrier, and the furnace is still here. These are nice units, to be honest. It's got a Protec fan motor. There's nothing inside, it's just the display, so. And then there's the data sheet, it's a display. So. Yeah, there used to be a Carrier Infinity over here before. It's a nice unit. Really nice unit. I'm very surprised to see it though. Imagine if if it's on in this place. That would be awesome if I get this running. So I never filmed it before, but this is the first time I filmed this unit. But yeah, this is a real nice unit, so. And data sheet's right there, but I'm not gonna be able to get it because this is a fake unit and it's displayed. So okay, so that down there, that will be the compressor and the reversing valve, because this sets the heat pump. So yeah, and there's still some kind of air handler right up there, so yeah. And right here, the furnace. So. And here's the Mitsubishi. Yeah, this is a nice unit. Here's some fans displayed. Here's a commercial electric, really large fan. And here's a Vornado. That looks like a jet engine. It kind of looks vintage, but it doesn't look very vintage to me. So, here's another one. Alright, I guess over now.